Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Puma.
Stibo khuluma no Abelo wangale Captain Park Stibo. Mina igame mfuna ukutshela namhlanje Stibo. Igame amachita ahlangene. Umkwena umbonile lapha esiswini bakabamba wonke ama disco akhe bawa control. Mara inkinga into one Stibo. Ubona mahopa asifihle kakhulu. Unomntwana umfukeni bekamgama cross bathe bekasifihlile bekahidile. Mara amachita Stibo ngifuna ukutshela ivar asihlangene. So phuma number 1 so buya nayo Stibo. Ngenkani noma amakhosi bathi siyabona mthuthu mara thina siya support national team Stibo asinanda ukuthi awekho ama player wethu mara samba naye semva kwabo noma kanjani Stibo
Man of the match.
Man of the match is Stibo yes Mustafa chef umbule yes Stibo yabonga Giant
Ah, yeah, painted.